You no need to worry about this actually. Your father done his duty only.
If in case any problem comes also, Matthew sir will look after that.
Maximum he is going to get a transfer only.
Yeah, that's it.
But still the problem hasn't over, you know. After vacating the people from that colony, then we have to change the alignment of that colony and then we have to divert the road. Meanwhile, we have to sort out the problems and then we have to give it to Matthew. So, this is our agreement, right?
If you want to execute this plan, first you take your father over there.
I'm thinking about that only now.
Actually, we missed a very big chance. Police have to be kick on his backbone. He would have been in bed lifelong. Huh. Bro, you policemen are useless in right time.
Shall we transfer our father from here?
Where?
Transfer from here to anywhere. At the same time, we should not get any disturbance from him.
It's not a bad idea.
Will he accept for that?
Tell that we are going to sell the house.
Yeah, we can say that.
Yeah, but listen, dear. You can do whatever you want. So please think and do it, dear.
Yeah, I am thinking some alternative ways.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Is that so? When? Okay.
What happened?
Collector has got the transfer.
God.
Be careful.
Come, let's go.
Hello? Tell me, grandfather. What? When?
What happened here? Tell me what happened. Who had called you now?
Grandfather.
Tell me the matter.
Shankar, brother.
Shankar? What happened to him?
Shankar, brother.
How can I forget you, my dear friend? The good old memories. My life's dearest friend. How can you leave me, buddy? How can you be so cruel to me? The most dedicated friendship one has ever seen in his life. He was ready to sacrifice even his life for others. And now that is what you have done, my dear friend.
Daddy, what's this and all? Why you are wearing uniform and sitting here?
My mind is a little upset today, dear. When I wear this uniform, I'll be strong enough.
What happened to you, Dad?
My dear friend, he's not moving away from my vision, dear. Last year, the same time, one of my very close friend, my dearest buddy Bhaskaran, he left me alone and went. He was a lineman in our electricity department. He used to consume alcohol occasionally, but he was a very nice man. A friend with always a golden heart.
I am fighting this case from 3 years. You know, my total family is dependent on my income. Where will I get money for fighting case?
When is the verdict of the case?
In 2 weeks, the judgment will come. My lawyer is saying the judgment will be not in my favor. It is not a small mistake, right? A bad friendship, drugs, fighting, and finally a murder. When police was arresting my son, my wife totally paralyzed at that time. Till now she is not recovered.
Do not get upset, my dear friend.
Only 1 month is left of my service. After that, where will I go with my wife and children? If judgment may not favor,
My dear friend, nothing will happen like that, dear.
I have decided something. If I climb this pole, if I touch it, gone. My life. If nothing happens, I will do that only. There is no option left for me at all.
What are you talking nonsense, my dear friend? Do you need some financial help? If you need, then tell me.
I need some peace of mind. Can you give?
You have consumed alcohol, right?
I have not done anything wrong to anyone. But for my family, why these things are happening? If I stand here for more some time, I
dear
will
friend,
tell something. All is my fate. I should face it.
Bhaskara, what are you doing here? I went to your house now. I heard you have not gone home from last night. You received the verdict from the court, right?
Yes. Life sentence.
If you drink like this, everything will be okay.
Why are you sitting here at this point of time?
Can you see this transformer? From so many years, I am repairing this transformer. I am so much attached to this. Tomorrow, it's my retirement. That's why I came here to see him.
Bhaskara, come. Get into the vehicle. I will drop you at your home.
No, I can go by walk.
I have given some money to your wife. Don't worry about anything. We are all there for you.
Ayyappan brother, you are a very good person, kind-hearted. I have only this to give you. Please keep this. This is the gift from the lineman Bhaskar. From tomorrow onwards, I will not need this one.
Why are you talking to this? Come get inside the car.
Okay, go. My life is gone. All the things are finished for me. Nothing is there for me.
The day when Bhaskaran was getting retired, Elias had come and informed me on the post in which Bhaskaran was working regularly. His body was completely burnt on the electricity post he worked. I rushed immediately. I was able to see only one steer. I was totally shattered. From that till the state of my life, I am not able to forget that incident which happened. If there was an electric post which would have touched the sky, sitting on top of that, Bhaskaran would see everything what is happening here.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Hearty welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Are there two Diwali here?
No, ma'am. That's Ayyappan. He has retired from here very recently as a Tavali.
Ask him to come.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam,
After retirement, you should not wear this uniform, don't you know? Don't repeat it, okay?
Are you good now?
yeah, I'm okay.
So are you feeling happy now? Old collector has gone. New collector has come. Hereafter to vacate that colony, that's gonna take nearly 6 months.
I am not happy now. The colony residents are happy.
But you can also feel happy because you defeated your own children.
Only if you do good deeds in your life, you will win.
Stop it. Don't advise us. All the parents in this world willing to see their children in a good position. But what about you?
No. Just to satisfy the criminal politicians. Getting help from corrupted officers. The atrocities what you people are doing against the society. I will not digest this anymore in my life. I'm sure about that. This is not the way I wanted you to grow in your life. With great difficulty I took care of you. Working in agriculture and simultaneously working in court. I have spent lot of blood and sweat for this. Your lovable mother. She did not even think about her children when she left me. I could have also left my children. You were in my left shoulder and he was in my right shoulder. I have suffered a lot for you children, but still I have old memories of my beloved wife. Your mother. I am not God to save her and bring back again to our life. Do you think that is possible? Children should always support their parents. That is their mutual duty.
Wait. Just think about our situation. We're asking you for a long time. Are we the children of a collector?
But you should also understand the mindset of our confusion. Who is our father is? He won't change in his life. You come, bro.
Daddy. Daddy. What you're doing here? Come and sit here.
Are you not going to do your service today?
New collector asked him not to come to office. Mostly he used to start in the morning, right? That is the problem. He don't know where to go now. He is planning to wear the uniform, but I didn't allow in the morning. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Ayyappan, have you
Daddy, please inform and go.
Nobody should follow me.
Grandfather. What I have to do now? Brother, did you saw the Ayyappan brother?
No, he did not come here.
He did not come here?
I haven't seen him.
Madam is here.
Ah, she's there.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
I just want to say something to you. Yesterday only you was charging in collector office. Yesterday you saw an old man Diwali. Then you asked him to come inside and you said you no need to come from tomorrow.
Yes, I remember.
What do you know about him, madam?
Yes, I know little bit. Staff told about it.
Your parents also in older age, right? Will you behave like this with them? We need to take care of the older people. We need to give some respect. You are in a big position, but don't insult like this. He is like a dad for me. Do you know that? You are a collector, but still, you need to give respect for the older people.
Why you're reacting this much? What happened to that man?
From the morning, we don't know where he went.
Oh,
We searched in every places. You only said not to come collector office, right? Because of that tension, he went somewhere. For everything, you are the only reason.
I really didn't mean this. But who are you?
I'm Anjali. I'm taking care of him, home nurse. I'm here for long days. Then, and one more thing. He is the father of ACP Jayadevan and public prosecutor Viswanathan.
Oh, now what shall I do now?
That is only I'm thinking now. Okay, I'm moving.
Sister, please have this. Sister didn't have anything. Always keep on crying.
You please do me a favor. You pack her clothes and little things. I am planning to take her to my house just now instead of my dear friend Shankaran. Go. Just flush up yourself.
Driver, stop the car.
Madam,
Where are you going?
she is Rajalakshmi. She is wife of Shankaran who passed away recently. She is just like my sister. Now she's become alone, madam. I am planning to take her to my house.
From tomorrow morning, you can come to the office.
Yeah, I informed. Vishwanathan sir also searching for him. Till now he didn't come.
My
Don't
dear
know.
Anjali.
Huh? Just cut the call. I'll call you.
What happened here?
I don't want anything. Don't say anything to me. Where you went actually? How I suffered, you know that? You're not even listening any words. Where and all I searched about you.
Actually, I was...
Listen, don't say anything to me. What I did for you? Why you're doing like this to me?
Anjali, leave it.
You just shut for some time. Even though he is the older, but I thought you have a good thoughts. But where? If anything happened to you, will your son leave me like anything?
What, dear? Have you stopped? Why are you so tensed against me? For you. No, for me. I want to get a prize for myself, dear.
Prize? What prize?
I will tell you, and I will show you.
I don't want anything.
I'm literally fed up of the spoiled child.
Hmm.
Can you hear me? Come here. Rajalakshmi, come here.
Mom?
I decided to bring her to our house. From this minute, she is going to stay with us here. Her life is not to just live alone in that colony. She is my best friend's wife. For my friend's memory, she has to be with us. So, my dear sister, from today, this is your own house, okay?
Get in. Daddy. Sorry, Daddy. Please, forgive me.
No. Don't worry, dear. You have all the liberty. I will not mistake about you also. Because you have given me so much of love. Even my sons have not given me. You have the right, dear, to correct my mistakes. Hey, Anjali, my dear, why are you crying, my child?
Sorry.
No,
Sorry,
you
Daddy.
should not cry, my dear child.
Take a seat.
Thank you. I will stand here. Till this date, I have not sit in front of any collector.
Why you didn't come to the office?
I have to discuss something which I will not be able to do inside the office. That's why I've come here to meet you, madam.
You mean that colony problems, I know. I inquired completely about the details. I know till the person Shankaran dies.
You don't know the actual truth, madam.
Your son ACP Jaydevan is behind this issue.
He will not listen to his father at all, madam. That is why I've come here to meet you. Long ago in the same situation, the collector had given an order and this is a copy of that, madam. Please read this, madam.
I'm going through these cases. Whatever, I will arrange for the alternate places for the colony members.
That's enough. That's more than enough, madam.
Okay, Mom, we are going.
Please, wait and have some tea and go.
No, madam, thank you for the offer.
Amni told that you are a home nurse.
Yeah.
If you get a free time, please come and take care of my mom. My mom has sugar, pressure, everything. Wait, I'll call my mom. Mom? Huh? This is my mom, Subhatra. Mom, he's the Ayyappan, retired Dawali. Please give your mobile number.
9596 7274.
Ah.
Ah. So dad has brought Shankaran's wife, right?
Yes, sir. He only decided everything. What can I do?
Have it. Yesterday I saw the doctor. He has given these tablets. The dosage will be high.
We'll take him directly to the hospital.
What are you talking? Sons told means it's enough. No one is believing no one, na?
Anjali, what are you looking at?
This tablet is very dosage.
Why are you taking all this tension? Do what I say, okay?
Mm.
Madam, first of all, you should understand the importance why we are pushing to vacate that colony. Country's development. That's the government wish.
See, Mr. ACP, I can understand that. If you're going to vacate the people means we have to arrange the alternate place for them, right? Think about it.
We have taken steps for that, madam.
Huh, I know. Let me go through all the
Okay.
details. And we will decide and we will do the honest way, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Within 1 week, I'll send the order to the government.
Uh,
After that, government will decide.
Okay.
Just to tell that only we are here, madam. You should write that report in a good manner.
No. What to decide, what to execute, it's my wish. It's none of your business.
Madam, you're totally mistaken us.
Do you know who gave this to me? Dafedar Ayyappan. He only gave me to refer those. I know about you both. So please leave the home. So don't come back to me here. Oh, they both left? Ah, they left. Who are they, my dear? They both are retired Ayyappan sons, ma'am. One ACP and one PP.
Where you taken this specs? It's very old model. Where you taken this? This is Shankar brother, right?
When I went to bring Rajalakshmi, I brought this also.
What, Dad, this and all? Dad, what happened to you? Dad, any mental problem for you?
Nothing, dear. Just for the memory of my friend Shankaran, I thought let it be here.
Then, ACP sir asked you to come to his home. He informed about you to the doctor. The doctor gave some medicines to you. Here I am having.
What is this medicine for?
Even I am having the same doubt. When I was returning to home, I met the doctor Isaac. I just showed this medicine to him. What he said, do you know? You have some mental pressure. So they approached some other doctor and gave this medicines.
What?
Yes, Dad. If someone have mental pressure, they will suggest this medicine to them. If they regularly they having these medicines, they'll go to coma stage.
Those who work for the poor to destroy that noble soul, children killing their own father. Is that fair, my dear? The generosity what the children do in their life, that alone take their parents to the heaven instead of hell. That is the belief. My child, you should not leave me at any point of time. Until I leave my last breath, you have to protect me, my dear child.
What, Dad? Is this and all? It's okay, Dad. I'm there for you, Dad. Hello? Yeah, Anjali here. When? Admitted. Subhatra ma'am is alright. Okay, I'll come. Okay. Daddy, collector mom fell down and admitted in the hospital. They said pressure is very high. They have a conference in the collector office, so they asked me to go there. Now, how is she? Is this normal? No, temperature is very high. Just buy this medicine. Mom, we'll go and buy the medicines and come. Hmm?
When I heard you were not well, I just came to see you.
What is this?
My daughter should not know this forever. He is the father of my two sons.
Mom? I feel very, very bad that you're in this situation.
Even though I'm trying to convince myself, I am not able to do it. For the past 35 years, I am still loving her. It will continue ever, till my last breath, dear. Whatever has happened in our life, she should not be blamed alone. I am also responsible for that. I have convinced myself that it is my fate. With the permission of father or at least the brother, a girl getting married herself to a man, until he is alive, he should take care of that girl. That is married life. When good things happen in our society, to avoid negative things happening, I have a strong feeling that God has sent beautiful woman with beautiful body. This is my individual opinion.
Don't say like that, Daddy. I'm also one girl, you know.
No, dear. I was not talking about all women. Just when you go to find the answers, we know the actual value of some questions.
It's enough, Dad. Go and sleep.
I don't know how we'll get a proper sleep tonight. I know that you have some medicines to have a good sleep.
No. No need to have. Here. Read this Bible and sleep well.
Yes, come in. Welcome, Anjali.
Why you asked me to come?
I want to say something to you. Don't you need the salary check for this month? Also, to the Shankaran's wife, just give some money. What? You don't need that? How is Dad now?
Daddy is alright. Where is the madam?
She has gone to her native place. I kept the check and cash in that room. Just go and take it now.
Okay, sir.
Last few days, I don't know why I got mad on you. If you are with my dad, I will lose my peace. Is that right?
Sir?
You took my dad to collector and spoiled the whole idea. So tell me why the hell you took him there to the collector? I'm asking you seriously.
Sir, please leave me. Otherwise, I'll shout and call everyone.
What is Anjali
She
doing?
came a little while ago, said she was not well, went inside.
Did you have food?
No.
Then have. What happened here? What happened here? Tell me.
Daddy. why you're doing like this?
The Tantri told me I have to make round of this house 3 times. Everything will be alright
Daddy,
soon.
listen to my words. This is
I'm
all
sure all
just
will be
saying.
fine.
Please,
Dad, please.
brother,
Please give me some
listen to
way.
me.
Everything will be fine. I'm sure about that. Anjali, my dear child, Anjali, Anjali, come out, sir, Anjali. Huh. Curse me. Please curse me. Curse me. Please do it fast.
You will never survive. You will never be good. You will never live good. Your generation will be crippled. Lifelong you will suffer a lot. You will not live properly. You will be ruined. You will be demolished. Everything will go bad for you. You will never grow. Your generation will never grow. You will never be good. You will never be good. You'll never be good. Oh, you will never be good.
Madam,
What, Mr. Ayappan?
I just came to meet you, madam.
Where is Anjali? I can't see her.
Actually, she is unwell, madam.
You have to come to my home with Anjali.
Okay, madam. Madam, from today, I will not come here regularly. I just wanted to inform you. That's why I've come now. My children feel that they are insulted because of my behavior.
That your son's ego. Whenever Ayappan wish, you can come here. I don't mind at all, okay? And for me and for my mom, there is no one for us except Anjali and you. I don't have any relations or friends over here. My father died since 3 years ago.
Okay, then I'm leaving, madam.
Please come. Definitely you have to come. By the way, I won't be here for 1 week. We'll meet after that, okay?
He's a very good party, you know. He just left. New party only. Yeah, it's a fun only. My wife is not here, you know. I can do this at this age only. Okay.
came here to kill you. Your own father. I am the reason for your birth. Now I will be the reason for your death also. You are the biggest curse ever happened in my life, my dear son. Whatever mistakes you have done in your life, I am giving the punishment from my court. For the past few days, I am hearing few sounds in my life. To kill one's own father with a sharp knife. The sound which comes from that sharp knife, I am hearing that. When I watched you carefully, I finally understood that you are the reason behind that. Now that sound made me come here. Now you have only one option, my dear child. Oh my God, why are you torturing me like this? I have not done any harm in my life to anyone. Why are you torturing me like this, my God? I am going to do the biggest mistake in my life. I don't have any other option than this. I will face the consequences for this mistake.
Daddy. That is Jaydevan sir. He was dead in his home. Daddy, did you went his home?
I had gone. I wanted to kill him, that's why I went. But I couldn't do it. Before he came to this world, I loved him so much. The love from father to his son. There is never an alternative of love for the children by parents. When a plant grows in one's house, whatever harm happens because of that, you should destroy it completely once for all. That is the dharma. When we leave this body and go back to heaven, no one will come to help us other than our good deeds alone. I went to explain this to him, but he didn't understand. He will never understand also.
See here.
I hope the investigation is over.
Yes, sir.
Then arrange for the postmortem immediately.
Okay, sir.
Do you check the measurements correctly? Measure the full area, okay? You
Just send the
recheck
body for
everything
the
properly.
postmortem.
Okay, sir.
Examine each and every corner. You should not conduct any mistake, okay?
Yeah,
okay.
What about the rest of the job?
Nothing happened. They are doing the formalities.
Mm-hmm.
We have taken the steps for the postmortem, sir. Yesterday night, brother called me. We talked about so many issues. All the details is in this phone. Okay, we already started our investigation, sir. My full cooperation will be there. Yes, thank you, sir.
Daddy. What's all this? Where you got this much specs?
Actually, the eye doctor, you know him, Mr. Atrus. I had gone to him. I brought from there all the old specs which he had in his shop. This belongs to my old friend Kumar. This belongs to my friend Hausopel. I just want to check which specs will give me vision.
Daddy, what happened to you?
Each and every day, slowly I'm losing my vision, dear. Today I have an appointment with the eye doctor. He said he'll give me a different spec today for my vision.
Is Ayyappan inside?
He's here. What
I will
happened, sir?
tell to him. Ayyappan, we came here to arrest you. The death of ACP sir is a murder. Yesterday you went to his home and talked with him. That conversation ended in manhandling. Every evidences are against you. You are under arrest.
Sir, my dad didn't do any
Come,
mistake,
go.
sir. Please,
Don't
leave
go.
worry,
him, sir.
dear.
Sir,
I'm not
Daddy,
making a mistake.
Daddy,
I'll come back to you.
Daddy, Daddy, please. Sir, please, sir. Daddy, sir, please, sir. Leave him, sir. Daddy, don't go. Daddy, Daddy, please, Daddy. Daddy, don't go, Daddy. Don't leave me, Daddy. Please, Daddy, don't go. Daddy, Daddy, please don't go, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy. Daddy.
Order.
In ACP Jayadev's murder case, based on the police department's suspicion, Andipati's Ayyappan, son of Kovalan, will be sent under police custody for the next 7 days, and the court is allowing that.
Come on guys, stop it. There should not be any wounds marks on his body while we are presenting him in the court after 7 days.
Daddy!
Anjali, what happened?
nothing.
कुछ सपना देखा?
No.
Tell me. Was it a bad dream? Tell us.
You no need to sleep alone. I'm also sleeping with you.
It's okay.
Pray nicely and sleep, dear.
Okay, take this. Lie down. Don't be scared. We are all here. Huh?
What, buddy? During old age, we all should have a peaceful life. But that is now disturbed just because of me. Am I right? Everyone in our family, Anjali and Rajalakshmi, how are they feeling now? After some days, the investigation will happen. They will call all the witnesses and ask them several questions. And finally, I will get life imprisonment. My entire life, I will get the benefit of the struggles what I've gone in my life. A life with a glowness, giving light to other people's lives and helping them. But now it is going to glow alone in the dark. It's all my fate, buddy. What happened to you, dear?
I have come here to accept a crime I did.
What are you talking? I am the one who have done the mistake, and I should get the punishment for that.
It's I. I killed Jayadevan. When Anjali was explaining to you on that night,
What are you talking? I am not able to believe this.
yes, I killed him. When you were fighting with each other, I was also there. You won't be able to. Killed your son, and I understood. I could read your mind and took pity on you.
Why did you do this?
Because he spoiled the life of my grandchild. I am responsible for this matter. Tomorrow I'll meet the magistrate and tell her. Later, let me accept the punishment.
No, not required. I will accept this punishment.
No, you should not be suffering punishment for what you didn't do. My Ayyappan should be out in the society, helping people.
Time is over. Go.
Ayyappan sir, let me leave. I have handed over my grandchild to you.
All is okay, right? Vishwanath sir has instructed to lock the gate and give the key to me. Give the key. Okay, you go.
Ayappa, brother. Hereafter we will.
Whatever Almighty plans to give us, it will definitely reach us at one point of time. Whatever benefits we do in our life, we get a result for that. Why are you crying like this, buddy? Earth is a very big place to live for us. Come. Madam.
Daddy.
My dear child.
Dad, do you know one thing? Government itself cancelled the colony issue. Hereafter you can go. I need my dad forever in my life. Hold this, dear.